Okay, so for this magnetic polish skinny stripe water marble, I didn't originally film a tutorial for it, but I've gotten some requests for it. So I am filming this on a nail stick. This was my original test nail stick, and I did this over white instead of the black magnetic base that I decided to go with. So I start with Bow Polish Surrender, which is a magnetic polish, and it is sort of black with silver magnetic particles. So I just did one sort of thickish coat on my nail. This. And then applied the magnetic to it. And to be honest with you, I'm not sure this part is necessary. I'm not sure that this makes a difference over using a just plain black cream base. I don't know, but for some reason I wanted to use a magnetic base, so I did that. So I applied the magnet, and that's what it looks like as the base. Now, I have already one dried that I'm going to use for the water marble. So here what I've done is I used three old Sally Hansen magnetic polishes, and I've used, this is Iconic Indigo, this is Electric Emerald, and this is Ready Response. I used those three colors. And all I did here is I just did a regular bullseye and made sure it's spread here. And I actually think my water wasn't clean, so I'm going to do that again. I'm going to let that dry. Blow on it some and just pick it up, which is a good way to just clean your water. Okay, so now starting again, the blue. Okay, and see how it spreads better this time? You want to make sure that that's spread to the edges. Then the green. Then the red. Blue. Okay. The green. And finish on there, on the red. And for the skinny stripe water marble, all I do is I go up and down. Okay. And then you just want to go in thin stripes across. And the magnetic does dry pretty quickly in the water, so you want to avoid touching the outer edges as much as possible, and if you do, be very gentle about it. All right, so now I'm going to take the dry one and dip in sort of that portion there. Okay. clean the water. Okay, and this is the part that people have asked me about. And even though it's still sort of wet, applying the magnet here won't do a lot, okay? So the best thing to do here is, I mean, you could have applied the magnet while the polish was in the water, but I think the most effective is what I'm going to do here, which is I'm going to let it dry a bit, okay? And then I'm going to apply top coat and then apply the magnet, okay? So hopefully this is dry enough. I would normally let this dry some more, do the cleanup, and then of all the nails, and then come in and apply top coat, and then one by one apply the magnet. But I'm just going to try to really carefully apply the top coat here and not smear. Okay, and now I'm going to apply the magnet here. Okay, and hopefully you can see that, and that's all there is to it. So you still can get a pretty strong magnetic effect even with doing it in a water marble. And again, I'm not sure that the black magnetic base was really necessary. You can see the comparison in the one on here, which is the one I did over a white base. So the white versus the black definitely makes a difference. I'm not sure black cream versus black magnetic makes a difference, but the white versus black definitely does. Anyway, thanks for watching.